At Wiiisdom, we're all about helping you make trusted decisions with data. Sounds cool, right? But how do we do it? Well, we're on a mission to revolutionize how you consume data, just like how you shop for your favorite products or plan your next vacation. Imagine making informed decisions every time you look at a report or dashboard. That's what we're here for. We help our customers move from a reactive state, where business consumers struggle with issues like incorrect KPIs, multiple versions of the truth in duplicated dashboards, performance problems, downtime, outages, and eventually a bad user experience, to a proactive state. Imagine a world where the reliability and efficiency of your BI platforms are ensured through continuous validation and certification of BI assets, robust lifecycle management, and predictive monitoring. Reassuring, isn't it? So who do we serve? Let's break it down. For decision makers and data consumers, Wiiisdom validates and certifies dashboards so you can instantly trust your data and enjoy an always available, high-performing BI environment. A green stamp means certified and reliable, so you can focus on insights with total confidence. Simple, right? For data analytics or BI teams, who are often our primary audience, they get alerts for failed quality tests via Teams, Slack, or Jira. This allows them to fix errors proactively. Once fixed, the validation process runs again, restoring the quality stamp to green. Easy peasy. For regulators and auditors, we meet their requirements by documenting and tracking all validations and every change applied to BI assets. This approach helps stakeholders understand changes over time and ensures ongoing compliance. And finally, for executive committees or the entire company, by enhancing data analytics reliability and efficiency, organizations can become truly data-driven, embrace the analytics AI revolution with solid foundations, meet regulatory compliance, and increase the value of data through automated analytics governance policies. Whether regulated or not, every Wiiisdom customer can transform from a reactive, risk-prone BI organization to a proactive, reliable one. This shift benefits data and BI teams, data consumers, internal and external auditors, and the organization as a whole. With Wiiisdom, you can trust your data, proactively manage errors, ensure compliance, reduce costs, and drive your organization forward with confidence. Are you ready to transform your data analytics experience? Embrace analytics governance today and make smarter decisions with Wiiisdom.